Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I'm in my backyard working on something today. Now, this is a story of procrastination. So we put this beautiful pool in about, 16 months ago. This is a fiberglass pool. We dropped it in place. I dug the hole, I plumbed the pool, did everything. My uncle did all the concrete on it. And one of the things that we like low maintenance stuff. And so one of the things we did is we put plumbing underground under the patio so that we could set it up to water the plants. So let me show you what I'm doing and why I'm talking about procrastination. I've been putting this project off now basically since the pool went in, and let me show you what I've done and how long it's gonna take me. So up against the house in several locations, we put PVC pipe in so that we could put soakers on it. So these two we've determined that we're not going to use right now, and so we went ahead and plugged those off. And then the other guys here, we had pipe sticking out, we've cut it off. I got 3/4 inch pipe, and they make a little guy that screws right into the top. So this guy, they make them in different size manifolds. So this is a 2 manifold one. I'm getting ready to screw it on here. First I'm going to run the water out of this to make sure that it's all clear of dirt. And so we put that in several locations. This one here is going to have a double. That one we're not going to put anything in, but it's there for future use. And then we got 2 over here in the corner. My wife's got a bunch of plants, and so these are each going to have 4s on it. We got a total of 10 of those sticking up out of the concrete, and we got them here. And then we just tied them in. I just tied them in over here to the other soaker line. PVC pipe was buried here on. Cleared it out, put a T in. So my point of procrastination is, I started this project at 3:02. Had to go in the garage and get a couple of tools. I think I spent more time at Lowe's today figuring it out. I've now got the soakers on. I'm gonna make sure the line's clear, and then I'm gonna put the manifolds on top and be done. And I'm planning on taking another 15 minutes here. And my point is, I put off doing this for way too long. Like I said, probably at least a year. We'll call it a year. And the total amount of time that it's gonna take me to finish this up, aside from my trip to Lowe's, is less than an hour. And so how many of you have got a project going on? How many other projects do I have going on that I could finish in an hour and be done with it? My wife has probably spent in that year hundreds of hours watering plants. When we've been out of town, we've had people come and water the plants for us, and now it'll all be automatic and we won't have to worry about it again with an hour's worth of work. There we have it. Ran some water through everything to make sure it was all clean and clear. Put on these are, I've got 2 different size manifolds. This one's a 4-port, and then we have some other locations. We have 2-port ones. They sell these at Lowe's and Home Depot, I'm sure. My wife is gonna come out here, Lisa, and she's the low pressure irrigation specialist. She's gonna hook all these up to her plants and set it up how she wants it. But my portion of the stuff, I was done, and we are 3:37. So including the time to make the movie, we're 35 minutes of to fix a year's worth of procrastination. So if you're a procrastinator, get up off the couch, run to Lowe's, grab you some irrigation stuff, and get her done.